What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And I think we're going to start something a little bit different on this channel. And what that is let's just track what my wallet is doing. I'll just keep my Bitcoin right over here for now, and we can just track what it's doing. So last time you saw it, it was $600 less. I didn't add anything to it. That was the price that did that. So remember when we were down to 7,500? Yeah, this is the same amount that was in there. So basically we're $2,600 more in the profit now because Bitcoin went back up. And imagine when it's back up at 60,000 and above. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm accumulating more, dollar cost averaging. So we're going to keep an eye on this. This is one thing I'm going to show you guys from time to time is how this is doing. And if I accumulate more, how much we're going to get, you can never have, too much Bitcoin. So right now we have over 24 million Satoshis. It's 100 million for a full Bitcoin. So today we're not going to be talking about Bitcoin as much. We're actually going to be talking about Ethereum today. Because Ethereum is looking awesome on the charts. As you can see, it's doing really well. We have a nice double bottom here, and I did want to do the video on my phone, so I'm not going to be showing you the chart right there. I could do it on Bitstamp on here, but I just kind of wanted to go into some news and why is Ethereum going up right now? Yeah, Bitcoin is, but Ethereum is kicking booty, right? It is going way up, and even higher than Bitcoin. So we have a nice double bottom here. It looks like it could be a possible head and shoulders was going to play out, and then it kept going up. So we don't need a head and shoulders now as long as it keeps going up. And yeah, Bitcoin has had a lot of green daily candles in a row, and that's pretty awesome. Maybe we'll get like 30 in a row. I knew that this was a gigantic bull cycle for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll see. Probably my prediction for Ethereum is still a new all-time high of about $6,500. So hopefully we'll see that in this bull cycle. And why? Why is Ethereum going up super high right now? Well, more institutional investors are buying Ether, which is the short, for Ethereum, seeing it as a store of value. Now that's a whole game changer because Ethereum has been mainly for DeFi and the gas for the Ethereum network and all the other coins, that are on the Ethereum blockchain. So the Ether rally appears to be more organic and driven from within the crypto industry. So Ether's latest rally to all-time highs appears to be driven in part by the sort of institutional investors who piled into Bitcoin in 2020 for its digital gold narrative. So Ethereum is blasting off because not only are institutional investors getting involved, but when Bitcoin blasts off because the institutional investing in that, then you have this kind of perfect storm, right? And then Ethereum goes off and blasts off even higher because all the altcoins that are on the Ethereum network also blast off on an all-time high level as well, right? So then you have like this superstorm for Ethereum, and now it is blasting off higher than all of the other coins at once. So that's pretty cool. That's why Ethereum is always a good investment. Not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only, and common sense. When you see something that continuously blasts off and you can keep making money on it over and over and over if you do the right things, then why not do it? If you've tried it a bunch of times and you failed, well, maybe change your strategy or get someone else to do it for you. I would never find another person on the internet, though. When I say that, don't go out searching the internet for somebody. You'll get ripped off 100%. Don't ever, if somebody ever says they're going to trade for you and you don't know who they are, don't do it. In the comments here, in the comments on any of the other big YouTubers, especially them, they have so many people pretending to be them and say, oh, well, we'll help you. None of those guys will help you trade ever. Honestly, in real life, they wouldn't help you. I mean, they could get in trouble for it. But honestly, they it's not a good thing. So if you know a financial advisor or something, then maybe have them do it, a paid one. That way you're not getting ripped off. Because people don't do stuff for free most of the time. So if somebody says they can make money, oh, just send me this much, Yeah, that's all a scam. Or if you send me 1 Bitcoin, I'll send you 2 Bitcoin. Or if you send me zero point 0.1 Bitcoin, I'll send you 0.2. No, nobody ever does that. There is no little mechanism in the Bitcoin protocol that ever will give you double your Bitcoin. That's not how it works. Even if you find a different discrepancy in exchanges, never. Never, never. There's arbitrage, but that's all just mostly a scam anyway. So you just, buy the dips. You can make money that way. It takes longer, but most people don't become millionaires overnight. Now, if you pick the right altcoin at the right time, you could become a millionaire overnight. But the chances of that happening are slim. Very, very, very unlikely. So I never push those kinds of things on people. Yeah, Pup Doge, I thought maybe if I put $20 I could possibly become a millionaire because this is the ground floor of this project. Well, they did a rug pull and they aren't doing pancake swap. That is kind of how you can tell if it's a scam company. They made it look like Pancake Swap was the one doing the exchange. And at the last minute, they come out with this alternative one. So that's why my decision was not to do it. And I'm sorry because I planned to do it. You guys know how that goes, right? And most people agreed with me. Yeah, now it's looking scammy, right? So, and most of my loyal subscribers saw that with me because we did it live. I'm glad we did it live. So I was able to experience it with you and be like, look, what I'm trying to. I had the money. I had the money in BNB and I was going to buy it. And now I traded that back into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, I might have been able to split it with Ethereum, but it wasn't very much. It was like $30 or something. So I was like, oh, I'll just put it back into Bitcoin. And that's what I did. So instead of having Binance Smart Chain or Pup Doge, I would have bought $30 worth. My first plan was to buy 50. I couldn't get $50 worth of BNB, so I figured out how to get $30 worth of BNB. Then I finally get $30 worth of BNB, and then you can't buy Pup Doge. So it was a big, ordeal, but it got, some views. I don't like that. Just for views, but if I could stop those 900 people from buying this if it's a scam, then that video's a success because a lot of people watched that video and were looking at this project. It was a great marketing project, but there was no real project behind it, and they lied about it and stuff and made it, or at least embellished the truth a lot, which I don't mind if you kind of are joking around, but when it comes to people's money, yeah, you don't really want to joke around with that too much, especially when you're trying to get people to invest in your cryptocurrency. So they get a big F- from me and the channel. So there's just so much awesome stuff going with Ethereum. Industry leaders, including Coinbase and Gemini, continue to take a bullish view on Ether. An increasing number of large investors are expecting or also exploring the subsector called decentralized finance, according to the analysts and traders. Yeah, and so there's this other thing with Ethereum right now. Did you guys know that it is Ethereum's 6th anniversary? I didn't know that. Check this out. Bitcoin.com celebrates Ethereum's birthday, 6 years old, with a $6,000 giveaway, right? And that's like almost 2.5 Ethereum, about 2.25, 2.4, 2.3, something like that. So, the giveaway. To be eligible to win, all you have to do is buy any amount of Ethereum through the Bitcoin.com wallet via our website between July 30th and August 6th. And that's it. You'll automatically be entered to win one of the following prizes. The grand prize to one person is $1,000. Second place prize is $500 to 4 people. And third prize is $100 to 30 people. Good luck. And then they have full terms here, which you probably can mail it in for free. This sounds a lot like the Coinbase one, right, guys? So, I always take these with a grain of salt, but if I'm going to buy Ethereum anyway, why not do it and have a chance to win a contest, right? Since I'm already buying Ethereum. But would I just go over here to buy Ethereum at a high level, at one of the higher levels? For this contest, absolutely not. Would I wait for a dip to buy Ethereum between now and August 5th? Yeah. Maybe we're not going to dip, though. We just dipped, right? We just had our big dips, and now it's time for this bull cycle to continue. And do you know what that could look like? With all the institutions that probably pushed it back. And what we said a long time ago, when the institutions, miss the boat comes back for them. When the retailers miss the boat, they miss the boat. Well, that's what happened. The boat went back, and it backed up for a long time in order for them to be able to figure out how to put all of their finances, at least as much as they can, into Bitcoin at a certain time of accumulation. And now what we're doing is getting ready for Bitcoin and Ethereum to pop off to the next level. And that means new all-time highs. That means new coins being made. That means new wallets. That means new projects. That means new upgrades. That means new hard forks. That means so many different things for the DeFi world. And it just has such big implications. And one big reason that crypto's here to stay, like I said in my very last video right before this one, which will be in the area up above where we have a lot of our videos pop up. You can check on the phone, it's the little 3 dots, but on your screen, or it'll pop up above here. But on your screen, on your computer, it'll pop above. It won't show up if you're watching on your TV. But you can look through those. There's always about 5 different videos that I put up there that are the latest videos and the ones that I think are the most relevant on the channel. At the end of the video, on some of them that I do on the computer, not this one, because it doesn't work on my phone, I can put an end screen, and then you'll see the most relevant video for you and the subscribe button. If you guys like these kind of contests that I can show you, like Coinbase or this one, people did get paid for Coinbase just because, I didn't win, it's okay, but smash the like button. I go out of my way to look for these things, which is fine. I don't mind doing that for you guys. Like, I like it. You don't have to smash the like it. But if you like that I do that, smash the like. That'll help the channel. That'll get this in front of more people's eyes. And then our channel will blow up. Look at that. My cat's chilling. He always knows when I'm going to live stream. And then my daughter's painting right there. She's actually, she got ribbons in the fair, so she won. Winning. Yeah. I knew she would do awesome. I just knew it. So, yeah. So, and she did so good that they went to the state competition. So, the county competition down. State competition, boom. So, grand prize, $1,000. Second prize, $500. Third prize, $100. So, I might go buy Ethereum over there if I want to buy Ethereum. That's what I'll do, probably on Bitcoin.com. It's really easy. There's an app too. I might see if there's a link. If there is, it'll be in the description below if you want to go check out Bitcoin.com wallet. I have used it. It was actually one of the very first ones that I used, because when you type in Bitcoin wallet, this is one of the very first ones that come up on Google. And so, but it's a good wallet, and I'm glad they kind of just show you a good one for like beginners, because anybody who looks up Bitcoin, this is what wallet, this is what's going to come up, Bitcoin.com. So, and another thing to any beginners out there, if you're buying Bitcoin, make sure it's the regular Bitcoin and not Bitcoin Cash. A lot of new traders do that. I should put that at the beginning of the video. But a lot of the new traders buy Bitcoin Cash instead of Bitcoin, thinking that it's Bitcoin just cheaper, or a cheaper way to buy Bitcoin, but it's not. It's an actual hard fork from Bitcoin. It's a different project now. So, you guys make sure that it's Bitcoin. It has an orange symbol with a B, a white B in it, and BTC is the acronym. Bitcoin Cash is BCH. So make sure it's always BTC that you're buying and not Bitcoin Cash. So I think we are, yeah, I mean, Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary won't invest in Dogecoin. I mean, come on. Come on, dude. What? You don't want to make money? Whatever, dude. All right, guys. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Back.